You should celebrate. That was quite the game there.
Why?
You bet on horses. It's the same here, but we bet on humans. You're our horses. I did not expect you to finish your race.
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are...
Seong, no! You can't come back now!
Junie, don't! Wait, no! I'll get there! You'll make it through, Junie!
Please don't come, just stay there! If you don't survive, my baby will die too! You said the most important thing was saving my little girl. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Watch over her.
Junie...